Guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Topher. Today, oh, check it out, guys. Nice little creek chub, aka a fall fish. Let me just look in a second, guys. Gotta get him. Wow, guys, he choked that lure. Absolutely choked. Hey, guys, here we are with another one. Getting on and getting them, baby. Oh, this is a hornhead chub. See the horns right there? Looks like he wanted to be free before I wanted to let him free. Little guy, you don't want to do that, man. Calm down. Goodness. Alrighty, guys, let's get out of here. I'm getting torn up by bugs. Have a great day, guys.